Hey everyone, you just saw the Facebook Live from the other day where we just got back from the woods. While I was traveling, while I was doing those things, it's all about teamwork and building systems and setting up teams for your business, because that's where the true success comes in. That's where the leverage of time, money, energies, and efforts. So I'm up here in the Bronx today at our fix and flip that we've been working on, and we're gonna go ahead and give you a quick tour of this. Now, if you remember, this place needed a lot of work, right? It was a gut rehab, but the bones were good. So we didn't have to do anything major. We did take it from a 4-bedroom, 2-bath to a 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths. And I'm gonna walk you through the property real quick here today. Give you a quick property tour. We're down here in the basement. I figured we start at the bottom. I'm gonna flip this around so you guys can see this. Now, exactly what we did here is, because it's not legal, we're gonna go ahead and you can see we boxed out all the utilities here in the basement, made this a potential bonus room. It could be an additional bedroom for people, depending on who buys it. Now, there are not very many 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths here, and this is the added half bath that we added downstairs. So you guys can go ahead and see it's lighter, brighter, everything like that. We're gonna head up to the main floor so you guys can see what we did with the kitchen here. Now, here's the living room. It's got a big, huge backyard. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. That was one of the projects taking down the tree. But as we come over here to the kitchen, this is what's really exciting for a lot of people, is as you look at it, thanks for all the hearts. What's up, Michael? You guys loving the work here. Now, this is a special fridge here. City style here. It's very narrow. Everything's narrow. So you can see you got the 2 freezers down below. We've got the backsplash in. We were hoping to open up this whole wall, but unfortunately there were some pipes behind it, so we weren't able to do it. It cost too much to move them, but it did give it that open feel for the kitchen. Now this is a very vertical house, so we're gonna head upstairs to the 2nd story so you guys can see this, and I'll give you a good idea of what the backyard looks like. Now, if you remember this property, there was a tree bigger than the house. So you can see the remnants of the stump right down there. It is a huge backyard. And then this is the master bath. You can see it's got the, master bedroom with the connection right into the bathroom there. So we got what we call his and hers closets, right? One side's his, one side's hers. Depending on your significant other, she might take over the whole closet, but that's up to you guys and your relationship. Bathroom's done, all nice, new here. Got the bathtub with the back, nice little splash going on. Give it some pop. Right, as we come through here, again, 2nd bedroom. So there's 2 of the bedrooms. Now we'll head up to the 3rd story. Up here, same thing. All right, we got 2 big bedrooms. Now these are big bedrooms, especially in the Bronx here. Nice big bedrooms. You got your closet. Nice big bedroom on this side. Now this is the one that had the water damage in the ceiling. What's up, Anthony? You can see everything's been patched up. All good. And again, this time, because we are in a short space here, right, on this one here, you guys can see it's all set up. This one just has the shower in it. All right, so we got to make sure that we make things fun. We got to make sure that we make things properly so that it's usable. And this house is a huge example of that. Right now, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Could be a bonus room downstairs. It could be a 5th bedroom. And there aren't very many over 2,000 square feet single-family homes like this in the Bronx. So we know it's gonna go fast. Hope this helped. You guys can see the transformation. You go look back at the other pictures, and we'll do a before and after shots in a little bit. So have a great day. We'll see everybody soon. Thanks for all the hearts, the likes, and looking forward to seeing you guys. Have a great day.